खा के भी चले जाते हो तो।
Now let's go to the city of Da Nang.
Tasty. We saw that यहाँ का weather it's better. It's better than Ho Chi Minh. Green Hotel. I will suggest some hotels. Do check the description box. Hello.
Tell us something about your journey.
We just reached Da Nang and the flight was very comfortable, very nice. They boarded early and they reached early. The flight was really nice. So we just reached Da Nang. So today we are going to explore some places in Da Nang, try out the local foods, explore some of the beaches, and also the hotel that we book is quite nice. But it's also it's cheap, but it's nice. So we'll probably show you that. So now let's go to the city of Da Nang.
From Da Nang airport we have reached here. This is our hotel for tonight. This is a hotel for today. It's called Crystal Boutique Hotel. I hope it's really nice. So we've just kept our luggage. And also one thing to note is that here in Vietnam the check-in policy starts at 2 p.m. 2 p.m. in every hotel. Like you can't check in early. If you check in early you have to pay extra by the hours. So right now it's only 12 p.m. We landed in Da Nang in 11:30. We have already reached our hotel. So we've kept our bag in a storeroom. Okay, kept our bag in a storeroom and we'll be checking in at 2 p.m. So right now we did not eat anything from morning. So right now we're just going to head out and eat something. So just as we come out of a hotel, just on the other end of the road we found a restaurant and also an Indian restaurant. So Reshmi wants to have Indian food because finding vegetarian food is very hard.
Yeah.
So just across our street we already found a restaurant. So first meal in Da Nang. How's it? Tasty. Very nice.
You cook.
No.
I ordered shrimp and steamed rice. She's having spring roll. Let's see how my food tastes. So we've just finished our breakfast over there and now we are headed to the beach. The beach is hardly 5 to 10 minutes away from our hotel. It's exactly right next to our hotel. So abhi we finished our breakfast and we are going to check out the beach. So a little bit of update is that when we landed in Da Nang, we saw that यहाँ का weather it's better than Ho Chi Minh and also Phuoc. Phuoc में थोड़ा गर्मी था, but यहाँ पे पता नहीं क्यों we are not feeling that hot and also the breeze is very cool, the weather is good, उतना humidity भी नहीं है. So I think Da Nang's weather is better than what we had in the south, which is Ho Chi Minh and also Phuoc. So abhi this is the first beach that we are going to explore. Let's see how it looks like. Day 5 in Vietnam. These are some of the beachside hotels. All of them are quite cheap and budget friendly and reasonable. This is the road to the beach. The beach is quite nice. So if you guys ever come to Da Nang, you can just take a room that is right across the beach and you can go to the beach anytime. Also some hotels provide private beach access, like that area will be reserved for anyone that is staying on that hotel only. So private beach access facility is also there. So if you guys ever come here, you can check this out in Da Nang. All the hotels are quite cheap, I mean reasonable enough considering all the facilities and the room and everything that they are providing. So all of those are reasonable enough. So yeah, this is how the road looks like. Look at this beautiful hotel. Green hotel, greenery all around. Like see, there are plants and trees in every balcony, every window of the hotel. This is something that is quite unique. Green hotel.
You don't know even the name of it?
No, the name is there. What? Kom New Hong Phuoc. Kong New Hong Phuoc. I think I'm sure I'm not pronouncing it correctly, but it's right beside Kom New Hong Phuoc. And see, so many greenery. covered with plants. It's nice, eco-friendly hotel.
Is it your hotel?
No, this is not my hotel. Oh, it's called Chickland Hotel. Chickland. Chickland. Chickland Hotel. Anyone coming to Vietnam can just stay here and let me know in the comments how their experience was.
शाम को बैठना मज़ा ही आ जाए. एक तरफ है पहाड़,
Wow, so beautiful. पहाड़ के साथ ocean.
और पानी भी बहुत क्लीन है.
पानी is so good, ना?
हाँ, बहुत सुंदर, बहुत सुंदर, बहुत बढ़िया. बीच वॉक के लिए काफ़ी सही जगह है. शाम को
The breeze is nice.
शाम को इसमें वॉक करने से मज़ा ही आ जाएगा. ठंडा ठंडा हवा. आई थिंक वो है क्या बाना हिल?
Also that statue.
वो देखो आधा तो पूरा क्लाउड में छुपा हुआ है. वो सब वही है शायद से बाना हिल. उधर में थोड़ा थोड़ा मुझे वो दिख रहा है. हाँ, लोग लेटे हुए हैं बीच के पास, एंजॉय कर रहे हैं. बहुत खूबसूरत. आओ.
Garland.
ओह,
एल्विन होता तो तुम्हारा फोटो खींच के देता.
हाँ.
बट अफसोस एल्विन नहीं है, तो कोई और तो फोटो खींच के नहीं देने वाला. तो अफसोस.
ठीक है, तुमसे मैं एक्सपेक्ट भी नहीं कर रही हूँ.
अफसोस.
बस रशियन देखना है इसको.
रशियन नहीं, अभी मैं वियतनामीज देख के कुछ. So nice. The wind that blows in your face. Oh, it's so good.
हाँ, Danang is what I guess. Even the hotel are quite cheap.
Yeah. 700 रुपये में आपको विद स्विमिंग पूल विद ओशन व्यू मिल जाएगा.
ओशन व्यू नहीं, मतलब ओशन के पास.
नहीं, ओशन व्यू भी है, मैंने देखा
अच्छा.
है. एक में देखा ओशन व्यू है बट स्विमिंग पूल नहीं है. बट आई वांटेड द स्विमिंग पूल बिकॉज मुझे अंडर वाटर कुछ शॉट्स लेने हैं, इसलिए आई चोज आवर होटल.
GoPro.
इवन देन 700-800 में स्विमिंग पूल भी मिल जाना विद a great room and that is 5 minutes away from the beach, that is still a bargain. That is something you won't get anywhere. चाहे आप अंडमान चले जाओ, गोवा चले जाओ, कहीं पे भी चले जाओ, गोकर्णा नहीं मिलेगा. 700 रुपये में हो ही नहीं सकता. 700 रुपये में हॉस्टल भी आजकल ठीक से नहीं मिलता. हॉस्टल
गोवा पे तो एकदम नहीं. एल्विन उधर.
नहीं.
एल्विन को बहुत मिस कर रहे हैं.
It's very nice. Danang का hotel is very nice. I will suggest some hotels. Do check the description box below.
कोई सागर से पूछो इसमें क्यों है इतनी तन्हाई.
क्या ऐसे दिल में है?
खो.
क्या दिल में है ऐसा खौफ जो आके भी चले जाते हो तुम?
Poem written and recited by Rashmi. मन करता है डुबकी लगा लो, डुबकी लगा लो, डुबकी लगा लो. लगा लूँ मैं डुबकियाँ. और डुबकियाँ.